Welcome once again. Here is your friend Israel. Don't worry, tomorrow we shall continue from where we stopped in my solving. But today I just want to clear a little ground for you. Not just for you, but for other students that are watching globally. Most students, they usually say that mathematics is hard. I'm not disputing them. Truly, maths is hard. Let me repeat it again so that it sticks in your memory. Mathematics is hard. So don't think that is a subject that everybody must easily digest. There are people born as a genius, okay? So those people with genius brain, it's not a much deal for them. They easily understand mathematics term and internalize it very quickly. But here is a problem. If you feel like mathematics is hard, you can never avoid it because you're a student or you're a pupil, depending on your class or your level. So whether you're a pupil or you're a student, you must at least pass your O-level mathematics or your pre-mathematics level before you can be able to climb to higher ground, even to those subjects you feel in your higher institution, you would avoid maths. But for now, you must know maths because if you don't know maths, you cannot be able to climb the ladder of your academic success. But that is by the way, if you find mathematics very difficult to understand, this is a short thing to do. Just understand that there are many students who have a fast assimilating brain. A very fast one that once you are teaching, others are capturing it. You may not be like them, but don't blame yourself because that is the way your creator created you. Remember, we are all creatures. Why someone created us is called the creator, okay? Your creator and my creator have put in us a very ability to understand things, but that ability varies by individual. So it varies per individual. So if you are that kind or that type that don't understand things very fast, don't blame yourself. Just study those things that seems very hard for you at your own pace. What do I mean by that? When I was still in higher institution, there is this one colleague of mine that was very brilliant, very, very brilliant girl. So I noticed that she can study something for just 2 hours to understand a full page full of arithmetic. But myself, I do not have such brain. So what I would do is that if she should study for 2 hours, if she should study for 2 hours to cover one page of a particular book, okay, or exercise or subject in arithmetic, myself, I noticed that I do not have that faster brain. I'm intelligent, but not like hers. She has a very fast understanding memory. So what I would do is instead of me studying 2 hours to understand one page, since I have a lower version of IQ compared to her, so what I would do is to increase mine to maybe 3 hours. That is extra 1 hour to cover the one page. And whatever she is able to write in her exam to get maybe 10 over 10, with me studying 3 hours per one page, I will still get the same 10 over 10. But this is a problem if I should be looking at her and say she has a very quick and high level of IQ. Therefore, let me start to quarrel myself. I would then say, see, she studied 2 hours, let me also study the same 2 hours. The implication of this is that instead of me getting the same 10 over 10, studying 2 hours like her might make me to halve my score to maybe 5 over 10 or 7 over 10. So the problem is not your IQ, the problem is you understanding your nature. If you feel like you don't understand things or assimilate things very fast as the other students, just tell yourself if they can understand things or figure out things within 2 hours, just add extra hour to yours according to your own pace or speed. You will be able to have the same mark with them. But if you feel like you must imitate them directly, remember the topics I've been treating since is directly proportional. So if you want to imitate them in a directly proportional way, I bet you must have half of the scores they have, or you just have a little addition of the score they have, instead of you reaching the same height they were able to attain. I bet you if you can be able to sit down and study your own person, you'll be able to grow and you'll be able to get to the pinnacle or to the zenith of your career. Whether in your career, your academics, or whatever you are doing, see you in my next video. We shall see.